Today, in the series of real-life PLC and HMI examples, we are going to see complete production line of plastic door frames and window frames production line. So let us see that. So first of all, let us see the complete production line. After that, we will discuss each component in detail. So this is the complete automatic production line from beginning to the end, the fully automatic system. This is the corner welding machine. This is pelletizing machine. The finished products are pelletized, and after comes the corner cleaning machine. And this whole system is made using Wecon PLC HMI servo drives and servo motors. So this is the actual PLC and HMI panels. You can see in this way the system is completely automatic and it can operate in different axes. See, this is movement through servo drives and servo motors. It is clamping, declamping through pneumatic cylinders. There are different kind of corner cleaning machines. You see, this is also corner cleaning machine. This is how the actual PLC panels and all looks like. And each machine has different HMI and PLC panel. So it can stack up to 20 ready products. So this is how the corner cleaning machine works. The process of this production line starts from the welding machine. So first of all, let us see how welding machine works. So before that, we need to understand the process of welding plastic frames. So here you can see this. There are 4 different sides of plastic frame, and these are the corners. So these corners are heated by heater. After heating up to certain temperature and desired time, after heating the all 4 corners, these corners are pressed together, applying some pressure to it. So these are welded. You can see this corner. These are the welding of plastic frames. So this is the complete process. Now we will see actually see it is moving in different axes. First it is moving in one axis. After that it is moving in another axis because there will be different size of door or frames. So based on that it will adjust accordingly. Okay. First it will move in one direction. After that it is moving in another direction. So it will adjust to the size of door. After that what happens? You see these cylinders came downwards. So here it will clamp our frames. Okay, let me play this. So in this way, first it will adjust to the size of frame, then cylinders will come down to clamp the frames. So after that what happens? Heater comes out. So as discussed here, first it will clamp all the 4 corners or 4 sides, and then heater will come out. So the same thing is happening over here. Okay, it came based on the size of door. It holded the frame, and then it will little move backward and heater will come out. Then for certain period it will remain there only. After that heaters will go back. So observe carefully. This is a complete process. Let me show you with example. So here you can see. So in this way these 4 frames are kept. Okay, 4 sides. Now it will clamp. Okay, this clamped. After that heater will come out. After certain period this heater will move back and all the pieces will be jointed together with each other. heater move back, and you see the movement of this cylinder, okay, movement of this clamp. It moved so that this side frame can be joined to this side. Same process occur to all the corners. Let me repeat from here. Observe this corner. After the heater moved, this clamping moved towards this clamp. So this both sides can be joined together. So in this way the welding process is done. What will happen after this? These cylinders will move upward so it can unclamp this, and these products will be dropped to this conveyor, and from this conveyor it will convey our products to corner cleaning machine. So now the next step is to understand the operation of corner cleaning machine. So basically it is one kind of CNC machine only, because it moves in different direction and there is one spindle in it, works like cutter or grinder. So first of all, through this conveyor the products are brought to corner cleaning machine. So this is, both of this is corner cleaning machine. So let us see that. You see, product is brought. After that, what happened? When the desired position is achieved, this conveyor moves downward. After that, this cylinder, pneumatic cylinders will rise up and it will tightly hold the frame. Okay. Now this machine will move as per the size of frames, and another pneumatic cylinders will come downward to hold this tightly. And here you can see this is the movement of servo motor in upward direction and horizontal direction. So in this way it will clean these corners. You see, it is moving upward direction and horizontal direction based on the desired pattern. After that, again it will move. This complete is moving forward. So there is another servo drive, and here it is cleaning through this, and now it is rotated. So for rotation also there is another servo drive. Okay, so as you can see, one for horizontal movement, one for up down movement, and one for this rotation. So total there will be 3 servo drives for this corner cleaning machine and one motor for this moving this spindle. Now it will go downwards and it will clean from downward direction. So again it will move in horizontal direction. Now again it came backward after cleaning, and again it rotated. So again angle motor operated. So in this way cleaning is done. So it unclamps. Cylinder moves upwards. So it unclamps the frame. And again this conveyor will move upwards, and after that this conveyor will start and take this to palletizer machine, because this is now complete finished product. Okay, so it is taking it to next step. So before going to next step, let us see again the corner cleaning operation. Here you can see the laser over here. So this complete system is tracked through laser movement also. So you can see how machine operates on the HMI screen through pattern. Okay, so this is why there is a laser detection also. So first you can see it is moving upward, then horizontal direction, again upward. In this way it cleans the corners. Now we will see the last stage of our production line, that is the pelletizing machine. This is nothing but taking the finished products on the pellets. So that's why it is called pelletizing machine. So first of all, let us see how it operates. So first of all, these arms will come in downward direction. So one servo motor will be for this upward and downward direction. After that you can see there are pneumatic cylinders which will be advanced and it will clamp this frame. So this frame can be held. Okay, you can see it clamped. Again this moved in upward direction. So in this way it holds our door frame or window frame. That is our complete finished product. So first of all, from the corner cleaning machine, the finished product comes to pelletizer. After that, pelletizer will pick it up. It will move in another axis like this. You can see it is moving in one direction. When the desired position is achieved, it will stop. Okay, now it will stop. And now this servo drive will move in downward direction. Again, when the desired position is achieved, these cylinders will declamp or move backward. So it will release this frame and frame will drop to here. So in this way, it can also count and it can stack up to 20 products in one stack. And after that, it will stack over here. So in this way, this machine automatically works. Okay. So this is the pelletizer machine and this is its panel and HMI. Each machine has different PLC and different HMIs because these are three different sections. So there are three different operations. So this is the complete overview of this production line. So again, let us revise from beginning. First section, first panel will be there for corner welding machine, which will have one HMI, separate HMI for welding machine and separate PLC. After that, this PLC is communicated to different servo drives. The welding machine will adjust itself in different direction based on the size of frames. So for that, we will require servo drives. There is temperature controller. As I have told you, there will be heater to heat these plastic frames. So there is temperature controller and there will be relay for solenoid valves, and these solenoid valves will operate pneumatic cylinders. So this is for clamping the frames as I have shown you. So this is the overview of corner welding machine. Now we will see the overview of corner cleaning machine. So again, in the corner cleaning machine, I have told you there is horizontal movement, vertical movement, and the spindle is moving with angle. So there are three servo motors for that. Besides that, I have told you there is one laser wrenching machine and there is also relay solenoid valves and cylinder because PLC operates the relay, relay operates the solenoid valve and it will operate the pneumatic cylinder. So this will clamp the door frames, hold the door frames tightly so that cleaning or grinding or cutting process can be done easily. And at the last step, there comes the pelletizer. So in the pelletizer also I have shown you, the pelletizer moves in upward, downward and horizontal in different directions. So for that, there are servo motors, servo drives. Okay. So this is the complete architecture of this production line. So now let us see what are the benefits of doing all this. So first of all, we will see the advantages of corner cleaning machine. So it can weld very precisely. There is no backlash, means there is no wastage of products like wrong welding or like that, and one-time welding. In one time only, it can weld all four corners. Now we will see the advantages of corner cleaning machine. First of all, there is high productivity, high accuracy, and as I have told you, there is laser scanning demonstration, means in which path the machine is moving, that path you can see on the screen also. And there is one-click path generation, means whenever there is any new pattern, that can be easily made just by giving this pattern to HMI, drawn from HMI. Last but not the least, we will see the advantages of pelletizer machine. So as I told you earlier, it can stack up to 20 window frames in one stack. It can neatly and efficiently stack our finished products. And the best thing is, it is communicated with the other machines like corner cleaning machines. So there is no any human operation required to start and stop this machine. This machine is operated by itself. So this is all for this video, friends. If you want to see more examples like this, show your interest by liking and subscribing our YouTube channel. Meet you in the another video with another real life example.